Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nilah. Nilah is a unique melee attack damage carry, or ADC, who thrives in close quarters combat. She gains bonus experience from last hits, helping her scale faster. Additionally, Nilah shares a portion of incoming healing and shielding with nearby allies, making her a strong partner in the bot lane. Understanding these core mechanics is key to mastering her playstyle and dominating your opponents. Let's dive into Nilah's primary abilities. Her Formless Blade, or Q, empowers her basic attacks, dealing increased damage in a cone. Her Jubilant Veil, or W, is a powerful defensive tool, granting Nilah invulnerability to basic attacks for 0.75 seconds. Allies standing within the veil also receive 40% reduced incoming area of effect damage, making it excellent for team fights. Engaging effectively is crucial for Nilah. Her Slipstream, or E, allows her to dash through a target unit, dealing damage and gaining a charge. You can store up to 2 charges, enabling quick repositioning or aggressive plays. Her ultimate ability, Apotheosis, or R, is a powerful area of effect spell that pulls enemies towards her, dealing damage and healing Nilah for 50% of the damage dealt. To truly master Nilah, remember these tips. Always look for opportunities to engage when your support or jungler can follow up, maximizing your shared healing and shielding. Prioritize items that grant critical strike chance and lifesteal to enhance her sustained damage and survivability. Position carefully in team fights to maximize her area of effect damage and ultimate's impact, turning the tide of battle in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.